gonna show how to make a cardboard box organizer. You will need something to cover the box, paper, scissors, double-sided tape, clear tape, and a box. Let's start. First, you need to cut this part of the box. Now you will have 4 cardboard pieces, and you should check if they fit. Then, before taping it, you need to take one of them and cut it in half and stick it like this. You can cut it if it still doesn't fit, and then put it in. If it fits, you can tape it now. Stick it correctly. You need to check. Then stick the second one on. Check if it fits. Now you can stick on the sides of the cardboard to the box. Then you need to put it inside the box. Might be a little bit hard. Okay, now you can use the paper to stick it on the outside. Then repeat it on all of the 4 sides. Cut any excess paper. After you're finished with all the 4 sides, you can use the remaining pieces for the inside part, like this. you got more paper left, you can use it for the bottom part. Cut it out to make it fit. Now you can cover the bottom with tape. Then when you're finished with putting tape in the bottom, first you can, you don't have to, you can put some of the paper here in the middle so it looked better. You don't have to do it, but if you want to do it, you can. You can tape it on like this, and then do it for both sides. Now you can cover the outside. I'm gonna use some markers, but you can use something else. Or whatever you want. And now this is how the organizer will look. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the final result. You can use it to store your markers, and you can put some of your stationery inside, or you can use it for tape and different. Also, you can put your guinea pig inside, but I don't know if she will like it. Well, it can be her little house. Also, her name is Ellie, and she's very cute. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the final result.